What better way to get your visitors to act now than to give them a deadline? Act now. This offer expires tomorrow. In this lesson, we look at date scripts, the internet marketer's best friend. How can they be used? You can use a date script to generate a date automatically, without having to go into your HTML every day and change the date yourself. With a few easy tweaks, you can make the script generate today's date, yesterday's date, tomorrow's date, or any number of days into the past or future. This means that no matter when your visitor is looking at your site, the psychological effect of the date is the same. Oh, wait a minute, that's tomorrow. Or, oh, wow, this has been updated today. Let's take a look at the actual code. Try pasting this snippet of code into your web page. Make sure you're in code view when you're using a what you see is what you get editor. Save this as a .php file or in an existing PHP file. Because it's a PHP file, it's very likely that you won't be able to preview the page on your computer, so you might need to upload it to your website to see it in action. What you should see is this. This date is 3 days into the future. That's because of the +3 in that line of code above. If you wanted your date to be just 1 day into the future and get a more immediate response out of your visitors, then change that little number to a 1 instead of a 3. To get today's date, simply drop that little number altogether. Changing the date format. In the above snippet of code, the letters J, S, F, and Y determine how the date displays. Lowercase j means day of the month without adding zeros. The uppercase S refers to the st part of first and the nd part of second, third, and fourth, etc. And that goes on the end of a number to make first and second. Uppercase F means a full textual representation of a month, such as January or March. And uppercase Y means a full numeric representation of a year, 4 digits such as 2008, 2008. To change how a date displays, you just need to change or rearrange these letters. For a full list of different date format options, there is a useful chart at de3.php.net/date. Remember, for PHP to work on your page, you have to save the page as a .php document. And time for today's lesson summary. In this lesson, we've looked at how you can use a bit of PHP to dynamically and automatically update relevant dates on your web page, either to show a page was recently updated or to give a sense of urgency, for example, for a purchase. We take a look at what a date script is useful for, the relevant code, and changing the format of the date. Anyway, that's all we've got time for. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.